Progress. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakoyal and in this video we are going to solve 5 square multiply 5 power 4 multiply 5 power 6 so on multiply 5 power 2n is equals to 0.008 whole power minus 80 and where our n belongs to is greater than 0. So let's start with the today's video. So according to exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So I can write it as 5 power 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on 2n is equals to 0.008. We can write it as 8 divided by 1000 and when we divide 8 by 1000 we get 125 and 125 is a cube of 5 according to exponent rule, that is 1 divided by x power a, we can write it as x power minus a. So similarly we can write it as 5 power minus 3. So 5 power minus 3 whole power is minus 80. Now, if I'll take 2 common from the powers, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n is equals to 5 power minus 3 minus 180. So x power m power n, we can call it as x power mn. So 5 power minus 3 power minus 80 is 5 power minus 3 times minus 80. That is 5 power 240. Now, the sum of series is if the series in the pattern of 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on n. So we have a formula that is n multiply n plus 1 divided by 2. So we are going to use this formula here. So first we see that if their base are equal, their power are also equal. So 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n is equals to 240. And here we use this formula for the sum of series, that is n plus 1 upon 2. So 2 n plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 240. We eliminate this 2. So n plus 1 is equals to 240. Now we see that n and n plus 1. There is 2 number. When we multiply them, we get 240. So we'll find the factor and check which number gives the n and n plus 1. The difference between the number is 1 in the factor of 240. So the factors of 240 is 2 times 120, 3 times 80, 4 times 60, 5 times 48, 6 times 40, 8 times 30, 10 times 12, 15 times 16, and so on. So if from here the number comes, smaller number comes, so we'll take, so if we talk about 2 times 180, if I'll take n as 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3, so it can't be given, so this will reject. Same, there is no difference between 1. So the difference of 1 is in the case of only 15 times 16. So we'll assume these two as. So n plus 1 is equals to 240. We'll take n as 15 and 15 plus 1 is 16. So 15 times 16. And n plus 1. Now we compare either n is equals to 15 or n plus 1. So if n is equals to 15, so n plus 1 is equals to 16. So n is equals to 15 is the only case that exists in this case. So the value of n is 15. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.